Hi, second graders. This is your video for the day. Today we're going to be talking about perimeter and how we can find that. And I have a couple examples for us. So let's get started. Here we go. All right, friends. Perimeter is the distance all the way around an object. So all the way around it. How much does it measure? To find perimeter, we add up all of the sides, all of them. Okay, and we can find the length of a missing sides that are equal if we don't have it. And remember that all sides must be included. You have to add them all up. Okay, I heard one of our teachers talk about at school, Crazy Callie, how Crazy Callie runs all the way around her fence all the time. So Crazy Callie runs and runs and runs around the perimeter of the fence. So the perimeter means the outside or all the way around something. Now, let me show you how we can figure this out. Okay, friends, so today, to find the perimeter, I have my triangle. And remember, perimeter equals all the way around. So when I want to find out how far it is all the way around, I'm going to take all of my numbers. So I'm going to take 5 inches. Plus, how much is my other one? You're right, 5 inches. Plus, what's my last one? You're right, 4 inches. So I'm going to put 4 inches on here. Now I can add all of those up to find out how far is it all the way around. So I know that I'm going to add these two together. These are a doubles fact, so I'm going to put 10 inches. But I'm not done yet. I still have to add in that 4 inches. So 10 inches plus 4 inches equals what? You're right, 14. And I have to make sure I label it. In this case, it's inches because if I don't label it, I don't know. Is it blueberries? Is it cows? Is it chickens? Is it pigs? Is it ice cream cones? I don't know. So I have to make sure I label it 14 inches on this one. Now, earlier, I said that we could find the number of the other sides if we knew this, and they're the same size. So if this side is 5 inches, how long does this side have to be? Because they're the same amount. You're right. This side has to be 5 inches. Way to go. Now this side on this one, if this side is 7 inches, how long does this side have to be? They're the exact same. Nice work. You know that this has to be 7 inches. And remember, perimeter is all the way around the outsides. So how am I going to find that? Well, I'm going to take 7 inches plus 5 inches plus 7 inches plus 5 inches. And that's going to tell me how far it is all the way around. So let's practice that. Well, I know that there's a couple doubles in here. I know that 7 and 7 equals what? You're right, 14 inches. And I know that 10 and 10 are 5. Oops, I gave you the answer. 5 and 5 equal 10 inches. But now, what do I got to do? You're right, I got to take 14 inches plus 10 inches. And now I can add those up. Well, that's kind of tricky to add them that way, so I'm going to line them up this way. I'm going to take 14 plus 10. That's a better way to do it. 4, 1. Do I put a 1 here? No, because I have a 2. So this isn't 14. This is a 2. Good work. So I know that all the way around this is 24 inches. Right like that. All right, friends. So I hope that helped you. Remember that when you are finding perimeter today, when you're finding perimeter, the distance all the way around the object, you have to add up all of the sides. You can't just add up one, you have to add them all up. You can find the length of missing sides that are equal by looking at the other side of the same length. And then you have to include all of the parts. So today, my challenge to you is this. I have a problem that I want you to solve. Are you ready? Perimeter is all the way around. So here's my rectangle. I've got 2. Here's my rectangle. 8 feet. 8 feet. 4 feet. And 4 feet. Can you tell me what the perimeter is of this figure that I just drew? Okay, friends, I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until tomorrow.